Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we shall be discussing question number 21 and 22 of algebraic inequality. So let us start with this answer number 21. You can see if mod x is mod y is less than 3, then we can write it like this. If we open the mod, so here you can see when the mod is removed in such cases, when mod of y is less than 3, then the value of y should lie between -3 and 3. So we'll solve in two parts. First part will be this part, say first part. What we'll do, we'll solve this. -3 less than x square minus 3x minus 1 x square plus x plus 1. Which can be written again as x square minus 3x minus 1 x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 greater than 0. That is x square minus 3x minus 1 plus 3x square plus 3x plus 3 divided by x square plus x plus 1 greater than 0. Here you can see that x square plus x plus 1 is a positive quantity because the discriminant is negative. So what do we get? We get here 4x square plus 2 positive quantity greater than 0. This again is a positive quantity, 4x square plus 2. It is always greater than 2. So we get x belongs to R. For all value of x, this is true. What? The first part. But we will take again this part as second part, take out the solution, then we will take the intersection. Because both conditions need to be satisfied simultaneously. So the second part is x square minus 3x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 minus 3 less than 0. Therefore, x square minus 3x minus 1 minus 3x square minus 3x minus 3 x square plus x plus 1 less than 0. This is a positive quantity as discussed over here. So, this can be removed. Positive quantity. So, it can be removed from the inequality. So, we get minus 2x square minus 6x minus 4 less than 0. We will take out minus 2 as common. Now, if you remove this negative sign, and 2 can be removed without affecting, but minus cannot be removed. So, we are removing negative. So, we get x plus 1, x plus 2 sign. This inequality guide sign changes. Minus 2, minus 1. Here we get solution x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 1 to infinity. This is our second part. Second part. So intersection of the result of second part with the intersection of with the result of first part is a solution. So you can see here this x belongs to R, all solution. So this is the final answer. Next, one thing that also need to be checked over here is if x equal to 0 is a solution or not. That is a solution, so it is no need to do it here. Okay. So let us start with the second question number 22. Here we will take first x greater than 0 and then we will take x less than 0. X equal to 0 does not give us a solution. So x equal to 0, no solution. Because 10 by 9 is less than 1, no solution. So let us start with x greater than 0. So it will open like this, x square minus 7x plus 10 x minus 3 whole square less than 0. That is x minus 2, x minus 5, x minus 3 square less than 0. The solution can be found out from the Wavy curve. X minus 2 square, so repetition, less than, so this is the solution. X belongs to 2 to 3 union 3 to 5. Here we had assumed x is greater than 0 and the solution is also positive, so this entire set of thing is acceptable to us. There is no exception here, so it is alright. Now x less than 0, what we will see what will happen. X less than 0, x less than 0, so we get x square plus 7x plus 10 divided by x minus 3 square less than 0. That is x plus 2 factorize x plus 5, x minus 3 square less than 0. On the number line, minus 5, minus 2, 3. Oh sorry, 3 has got even power. So critical point 3 will be repeated. The solution is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 5 union, there is nothing else. So it is less than 0, so sorry. It is less than 0, so we have got solution here only. X belongs to minus 5 to minus 2. But here we have taken x less than 0, so this is also acceptable. The final solution is, you will take, as these two belongs to different zones, so union of the two. The final answer is x belongs to minus 5 to minus 2 union 2 to 3 union 3 to 5. So you can see that the sums bearing modulus signs can easily be solved with this concept. Thank you very much for being with me, and in the next video also we will